Cooling car.
Well, yeah, but I don't have the. I don't know if I can get the. Yeah, it's alright. No, don't send me.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Because I may not. If I try to sell it, it may not deliver today. You know what I'm saying? Oh, okay.
All right. I'm gonna need to get in the attic.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, you can do it, right?
Yeah, I gotta get in the attic and see what's going on.
Okay, it says something. Hold on. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I need to take a look in the attic and look at some
In
wires.
the attic inside the house?
Yes.
Do you see the wires, though, outside where they chewed it?
Yeah, I see that, but
That's the problem.
yeah,
Huh?
I see that, but I still need to get inside and see if it blew a fuse or something like that, and I need to see what wires is what.
Okay, no problem.
All right.
My husband will be able to let you in. Did they get the corrected amount I'm supposed to pay?
Yeah, it should be $75.
75.
Yes.
Okay, good. Okay, so my husband will be able to take care of that as well. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. All right. I'm going to stay on the line in case you have any more questions.
All right.
Your
Yeah.
husband will
Yes.
be able to
Yeah.
let me know
Show me
when
the
I
attic.
get it.
Show me the attic. I'm gonna get my light real quick.
Right here?
So the dogs did that?
Yes.
Yeah. You might want to block it off. All right, folks. Let's see what we got going on here.
Yes.
All right, what a thermostat. Can you show me the thermostat real quick?
Which one?
Thermostat.
Thermostat.
Yeah.
Baby, do you remember where the thermostat is? Yeah.
Probably right here on this wall here.
Okay. I forgot everything.
Yeah.
Is it here? Oh, okay.
Okay. All right, that's it right here. I just want to make sure. It's turning on. Okay. All right. Uh-oh. Everything clean. Let me get that. So I'm just trying to make sure ain't no fuse blow. Sound like I hear. I hear the blower motor, so that's good. The fuse ain't blow, but I need to determine what wire is what though. Usually be the white and the red. Let's see if I can see that in there. I can check 24 volts out there, but all of them shredded. Let me get my drill. All right, so I'm gonna take this off right here. Yeah, make sure they don't fall, hit that trap. All right. Yeah, so it is going to be white and red. I'm going to go ahead and turn the furnace off. Check that fuse. Fuse look good. So I'm gonna fix that white and red out there. Alright, so I'm gonna give me some wire nuts real quick. For some blue wire nuts. I might just use some orange ones. Just bought a box of blue and threw it in here. Got one. I just use some orange one. All right. All the insulation, everything up. Do is, let's see here. I was looking for what that yellow. Like he snatched some up. Take a look off in here. White and red is what I need. See, I seen my all on script like this, so I wasn't sure what was going on. First I thought I had a heat pump, but that dog must have been chewing on the ends of it. Let me take this green one and peel it back a little bit. All right. I told him he need to block it off. He just laughed at me. So it sounds like this might be an ongoing thing. Oh, you see the old wire nut. These teeth marks right here. I hope he ain't script that wire. But the fuse not blown, so I guess not. Just short that wire out. All right. Shouldn't have tripped no breaker or nothing. Go ahead and turn the power back on. I'm sure I probably got a little delay or something. All right, got 240. Turn that power back on real quick. All right, so the thermostat blinking, so I probably got a little delay on it. But let's go check out the dog back here. Where you at? I don't see him. Oh, there you go. Couple of them. Y'all mess with that AC? Y'all mess with them AC units, ain't you? Don't be eating up them AC units. Oh man, this boy tired. All right, they want to verify, turn on. They put some bricks right there. They need to put them bricks right here. Put some wire or something on it, some of that mesh. Help it out right here a little bit. Come on now.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, wait for it to turn on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So I think I need to leave. Can I pay you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Be 75.
Yeah, I want to swipe card. Okay.
Yeah. So you had a question?
Yeah, she said, he said you should call me. Call her, sorry.
Okay. Yeah, it should be good to go.
She wanna know what really happened.
The dog, that's what really happened.
Yeah, maybe you should call her.
Yeah.
All right,
dog.
thank you.
All right, have a good one.
Yeah.
All right. what happened? She want me to call for I got my money, man. I'm getting up out of here. I keep on telling him he need to block it. He keep on laughing. He said,